Man, you look good in that car. We have a Mercedes fleet here. We have a Mercedes fleet. See, now it's gonna be clean. Like brand new. Brand new. Oh, so you did get the battery or no? Oh no, that's the old one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be good. It was probably just discharged.
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, cool. Let's get this done. It's gonna be really loud now. All right. Really windy today. Huh? Really windy today.
Yeah, I'm cold.
Guess what? When you work on cars, you get hot.
Yeah.
You know? When you work on cars, you get really hot.
Well, you do that, let me do this.
Got a mechanic's assistant. Right there. Right at the Roma?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one. Washer.
1 hour later.
Wow. It's fucking black.
That's kind of dirty.
Yeah.
Shit. You won't make a mess, but you will still. Just because of how
Tiny.
it's like how bad it's like how fast it's coming out. So I just never know.
I think I made the right choice by changing the oil.
Oh yeah, because you don't know when they changed it last, so.
Well, see how dirty it is.
Yeah, it's a little like dark, so I don't know when they changed it. Whatever. Please, wind, don't do it.
A few moments later.
Just show me what to do.
Alright.
No, let me be showing me what to do. Let me be the one to do it.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you just take it off. So when you change oil on this car, always remove the filter first, because as soon as you pull it out, okay, that's fine. Take off the thing, because as soon as you pull the filter out, it's gonna be more oil that's gonna come out down there.
Because how does it like air going through it?
No, it's because oil filter holds oil.
Okay.
There's some oil in this oil filter, so. Alright. Yeah, we need to restore these headlights today. This thing's gonna look sick. Yeah, so after with the oil change, you should go get that stuff. And you will need the brake pads soon, actually. And the rotors, yeah, they got a ridge on the inside. Yeah, they're kind of like, the guy said that he changed them, but looks like they're a little bit like, it's just, you can still drive them, you know, maybe a couple seasons, one season, depends. Maybe like, I think it's like 40% left right now, or 35, I should say. This is still good. Tires, not too bad, I should say. Yeah. We need to fix this. No, don't break it off.
I want to take it off.
You're gonna take it off? Okay, we'll take it off right now. You don't like the Palm Beach or anything?
No, fuck that shit.
All right. I'll do it right now. No, it's good. I'll put it back.
Maybe I'm gonna buy the.
You can give it to your girlfriend. You know, this thing. You're like, hey, I have a gift for you. This stuff. There you go. Good. Good idea to wait so the oil can drain a little more longer.
I'm gonna put that on my to-do list.
Jack?
Yeah, these.
Yeah.
These. So I can put it.
Yeah, as you can see, I have all the tools, so it's always nice to have all the tools. Alright, also, if you look at the trans, it's kind of wet because the gasket, the pan gasket is leaking, and also inside there's actually like a plug that's leaking. There's like a seal on it. Needs to be changed, but other than that, not too bad. Engine's pretty dry. I'm really surprised. It's crazy. That's awesome.
So how?
These O-rings need to be changed. And let's fill up this car with oil.
One eternity later.
Alright, everything's tightened up. Reinstall all that belly fan and stuff. Alright, now the most important part is since this car doesn't have the oil dipstick, we're gonna have to measure it through that thing. So jump inside, let's see. Yeah guys, so this car doesn't have the dipstick. It's 2003 W203. It doesn't have an oil dipstick for the engine, which sucks. But no, just turn the key so the lights come on. Now add 1.5 quarts. And the car is level, so we're gonna try to trust this side. That's showing engine oil level okay. Other than that, I mean, this thing is not bad. It's pretty nice. Maybe we'll restore the headlights today. 165,000 miles. It's probably a lot more than that. Good?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is all reconnected. Get it all back together. Splash shields. Everything is good, no leaks. Literally a Mercedes fleet. Save old school Mercedes. This car needs work, but damn, it's windy. It's kind of crazy. And it's really windy, so I don't know. Hopefully it's gonna be fine. It's a good workout for your arm too. It keeps moving, gets you warm. So yeah, you can show them that headlight, the difference.
Yeah, the difference. See how they fit. We're gonna find out.
You know, soon the transformation kinda. So this is 1000 grit sandpaper. We're gonna keep doing it with that now, and then we're gonna go to 1500 and 2000 at the end.
Wow.
Also keep in mind that some of this stuff is on the inside of the headlight. So what we're gonna do on the outside. The rest is on the inside. But mostly it's on the outside. But still, just letting you know, some stuff is also on the inside. So this is already sanded. So I'm gonna spray clear coat on it. Alright, this is kind of crazy. It's really windy, guys, and we already had the sunset. And I'm here in the parking lot and actually restoring the headlight from the W203 Benz. So it's kind of crazy. But yeah, I already put one coat on. So we're gonna wait, do the other. It's gonna be a bad angle. Maybe I'll film it tomorrow. See how it's gonna look tomorrow or another day. So yeah. And then I sanded it with, like I said, I sanded it with 1000 grit, 1500 and 2000 grit, and then I sprayed this clear. So I don't know how many coats I'm gonna do, maybe 4. I think the more the better, in my opinion. So we'll see. I like how he cleaned this car. It's nice, man. And I remember the steering was so filthy. So dirty, but that's good. Alright, let's go check out that headlight. So that's how this one looks. Yeah, I mean this one is really yellow. That one looks a lot better. Some of that junk is on the inside, so it's... But it's gonna look a lot better though, right now.